Hey guys, so I have this watermelon Japanese drink. Um, yeah, and like it's a marble drink, so like it has a marble right there. So and I'm gonna open it in front of y'all. So, yeah, okay. So you're supposed to go from here and like where that arrow is, and like do it like yeah, supposed to open it like that. Sorry if you hear it like math. My mom's studying. Yeah. Eh, got it. Well, I just got that on camera. Yeah. The marble is right there. I'm supposed to push it down, so I'm gonna do it in front of y'all. This is like how to open it and stuff. Yeah. Go. And then if you have that little thing, just pull it off. It won't do anything. And then put this circle on the marble like this. So then it looks like this. And then push it hard on your palm. So here, I'll do it right now for a demonstration. Like that. And then do it. Got it. And then it might leave a tiny bitty mark and hurts a little bit. But at least you got your drink. And then the marble is right there. Yeah, it got pushed in. And now it's open. I just like the like if it has like the soda on it. I like to test it like that. See if it's gone. I just like to do that. And then I never tried this drink before. And yeah, you hold it like this. You know what this tastes like? It tastes like that the watermelon Sour Patch Kids there. Yeah, like the watermelon sour stuff. Yeah, that sour thing. That's what it tastes like. That's what it tastes like. It's really good. You can find this at Walmart, um, Myers, and Jungle Gyms. Yeah, thank you. Jungle Gyms. In Cincinnati, Ohio. Yeah. And then in my next video, I might be doing these donuts, mini donuts. So stay tuned. So, yeah, guys. That was it. Have a good day.